Hey guys, what's good? For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Sydney Holloway, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. I'm gonna be unboxing a couple of things. Some stuff from Ulta, the shoes that I got through my new job at Amazon, and probably a BoxyCharm unboxing too. I'll add that in later when I get it, because I don't have it yet. But, alright, so I guess I'm gonna just start. Here's the package I got from Ulta. I shopped for the 21 Days of Beauty sale, and I got some lip gloss. I'm weird, don't mind me. Well, I just got done almost dying because I choked on my own spit, so that's cool. Anyway, back to the unboxing. So first on the list is the full-on plumping lip cream in White Russian from Buxom. One of my favorite lip glosses ever. I'm not even out of the first one I got, I just wanted it back up. So yeah. Open up. It's a nice little nude that plumps you. And it's glossy. I guess I don't have my other one, so I guess I'll open this one. Fuck yeah. That's what it looks like. The second item that I got from Ulta is the Cherry Wet Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss from Lime Crime in Naked Cherry. I guess I'll put it on top of my other gloss. It's also a nude, but it's like a pinky nude. I also have it in another color. This is Bitter Cherry. It's like a brown nude. I'm gonna show you in the lighting. So as you can see, the two lip glosses are very similar, but this one is in Bitter Cherry, which is a more brown toned nude. And this one is in Naked Cherry. Yeah. Naked Cherry. And here is Naked Cherry over White Russian. In addition to my two lip glosses, I got Benefit's 3D Brown Tone. See? It's the brow gel, but it adds a little something to your brows. I'm gonna put it on for y'all so you can see what it looks like. This eyebrow has it in it. This one does not. You see that? Adds a little something to it. And I got this in shade 2, which is from light blonde to like medium brown. So you want to add a little zhuzh to your eyebrow. And last but certainly not least is the Marine Hyaluronics from The Ordinary. It's a like face serum. It was only like $7, so that's good. Let me try it out for y'all. It feels like water. Like literally like water. So that's not unpleasant. I wish it was a little thicker though. That's everything from Ulta. I'm gonna give you guys the prices now. And the prices are not on here. What's the point in a receipt if there's no price on it? Come on, I'll get your shit together. All right, I know how much they were. The lip glosses, I think, were like 10 bucks. The Lime Crime one might have been like 12 something. And the 3D Brown Tones was on sale for like 12. And then I already told you this one was around 6, 7 bucks. So I guess that's it for the Ulta part. So next up, I'm gonna unbox my free shoes that I got from Zappos. They're like workers' sneakers, I guess. We'll see what they look like. Oof. It's a box within a box. Bam. They have memory foam. These are some beefy boots. Dude, I don't know if these are gonna fit. I'm gonna try them on. They're like $90 boots. Oh, look at them kicks, man. I think they'll fit with socks, maybe. My beefy freaking thigh. Like, ew. I got them in a size 8 medium because they didn't have a size 7.5 wide. So this is what I got. They're actually not that ugly. And they were free. So I guess I can't really complain, but I probably still will. Because I'm me. Anyway, my eyebrows need some help. I guess I see what the brow tones did. Just added a little extra zhuzh. I really need to pluck my eyebrows. So there's that. I have eye boogies. What do you guys call them? Do you call them sleepies? Now they just look weird. I don't know. Y'all are gonna have to tell me what you think of these 3D brow tones. Can you wear it by itself? Or should you put a little bit of a pencil under there? Some pomade? Who the fuck knows? Cause I don't. The last 3 items in this video I got from the Dollar General. I'm just throwing these in here. I didn't order them online. I just got them because I wanted to. This was like $3. It's a nice little lip gloss. Brought me back to childhood. They like smell like cotton candy or bubble gum or something. They're not uncomfortable. They're not overly sticky. So if you want to get those, they're only $3 at the dollar store. I got this primer and setting spray because I'm running low. All of those are like almost empty, so there's that. It was like $5 at the dollar store. And then lastly, I finally hopped on the highlighter bandwagon via Wet n Wild and got Precious Petals. My champagne pop broke from Becca, so this is gonna be like a substitute. So yeah, I just wanted to add these items in. along with my BoxyCharm unboxing. Peep my deodorant. This is some good stuff. I promised that I would add in this unboxing as well to this video, so I am going to unbox this BoxyCharm for you guys. I'm not going to put myself in the video though because I look like trash. Whoa. This is my April box. Came with a coupon for makeup eraser, which I did use. I got the Benefit Professional primer, which I'm really excited to try out. I got the Almus hydration juice. I'm excited to use this actually. It's a moisturizer, a gel moisturizer. This was the choice item in my box that I picked. I got the Iconic London drops, which is fucking amazeballs. In the color blush, the shade Fudge. And I got the Illuminati gel paint, electric pink and electric blue eyeliners in my BoxyCharm. I'm excited to try all this out. I'm gonna put some swatches in next. Here are the swatches. That's Fudge up there, the two liners, and then the illuminator drops. I'm really excited to test all of these out, especially the two liners in my waterline. This is like a deep fall color. I've never tried a brown before, so I might just do a look with all of this and see what I come up with later. Isn't that beautiful? Also, the last thing we're gonna go over is this card. So the Professional primer, it retails for $32. The hydration juice retails for $48. My Iconic London illuminator drops retail for $41 even. The lip satins from Dosa Colors retail for $17. The Duo in electric pink and blue retails for $42. Festival, I believe, was the theme. Yeah, festival vibes for this month. I'm excited to use everything in this box. My highlighted item out of this box is probably this. I'm really excited to try it because it's a hydrating gel formula and I always love a good moisturizer. Skincare is one of my favorite things. So you're gonna talk to this backdrop for a little bit. I think this month's box is pretty lit. If you didn't get the makeup eraser in your box, then you get a 20% off coupon in your box. So if you want to like save money and save the planet, then use the coupon to buy a makeup eraser because it'll last you a couple years. So I've heard. I'll have to test it out and see if it actually like holds up to all the hype. Also, peep this painting. I stole it when I was drunk one night in college from the like, what was it called? It was like a learning center or something. I don't know. There were massage chairs in there and like you could paint pictures and like relax. So yeah, I stole someone's painting. Tequila will do that. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a lovely night or morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Also, happy quarantine. Peace out.